Hi everyone, Percy here. Um, I said I would make a finished video of my tiny house when I finished it, and I did that around June 2017, first week of July is when I moved into it. Um, so I'll just give you a tour, let you see the finished product. Pretty stoked about it. Um, so yeah, this is my first winter living in it. Standing in the doorway. I don't have my generator on right now because I don't really need to. I'm hanging out with my parents right now, but I thought I'd come in and do this. But anyway, um, so that's why none of the lights are on. So here I am. Here's the doorway. Got my coat rack. I got that at Home Goods, and I think it's just like the cutest damn thing. Got tons of pegs. Can hang my hats, my keys, all my dog stuff. Um, I got that cardinal right there at a indoor flea market because I'm from Virginia and I wanted a little reminder of where I'm from wherever I take this. I want to take it out west, probably Portland or maybe California, maybe back up to Washington, I don't know. Um, got my plants, my under oath posters. This little garden right here, I've had some of the plants for 2 years now. Little cactus back there. The tall one came with me from Washington. I think it's still thriving a little bit. It's got some new growth, finally, which is cool. Um, yeah, so, oh, that's me and two of my best friends, Ross and Ash. I love them to bits. Um, got all my books and stuff. My records down there, little box for stuff. Clothes that I want everywhere, like my jammies and stuff, lunchbox. Xbox. I got a Nintendo Switch recently, which was pretty cool. Playing Breath of the Wild right now. There's my TV. And here's Fernie Fern. Say hi. Yeah, Fernie. Fernie girl. And I got Clementine put away right now so they don't roughhouse and talk over everything, or bark over everything. But she's a sweetheart. I love her to bits. Here's my propane heater. Funny story about that. I actually got the wrong heater like 3 times, trying to figure out which one to get, and then finally figured it out, got it hooked up and stuff, but that was an ordeal. Here's my kitchen. I got plastic bags for picking up dog poop and like carrying lunches or whatever on hikes. I got that cutting board at Home Goods too. Kind of in love with it. But here we are in the kitchen. Got my mugs. Got that one for 50 cents at a thrift store. It says Harambe Wildlife Reserve, I think, or something like that. It's got some really, really nice art on it. If you can see that. One of my faves in the mushroom mug. The mushroom mug's my favorite. But yeah, here's my kitchen. Got my plates and some dog food pots and pans. There's my little pantry down there. Here's my fridge. It's pretty empty right now because I mostly just eat like fruits and other raw stuff or stuff that doesn't have to be refrigerated too often. That way I can keep my gas costs on my generator down. One of my favorite things I've gotten is that piece of art. I'm trying to fill my house up with more, slowly but surely. So yeah, this is the living space. You can see it's got some knickknacks and stuff. My sleeping loft up there, and there's a little storage thing behind all those shelves up top. And here's my storage loft where I keep my laundry and suitcase and like my yoga mat and cleaning supplies and stuff. Right here, I love this little latch. Here is my closet. Nothing too exciting, just clothes there. And here is my bathroom. Very small, but does the job. can sit down on the toilet and shut the door with like, I think like a ½ inch to spare. Yeah, so I love my little copper teapot, pots and pans and food and stuff, coffee maker, blender, well, for like smoothies and stuff. Let's see, I think that's about it. So yeah, it took me 2.5 years just about to finish the house up. I started, I think the last month or two of 2015, and then built it through 2016, and then I traveled through 2016 and finished it up this past summer. So I was gonna move out west in like a month, like the middle of February, end of February, because there's some concerts I want to go to here with some friends before I move. But I think my dad's gonna drive out with me in his RV, and we're gonna like see the country with my folks. And yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out where to move. I really like Portland, but I really miss the beach, so that's why I'm thinking California. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna do that. I think the date that we set is by the end of July, because the winter here has been really harsh, so I don't really want to move this in a 1960s pickup that I'm about finished rebuilding it. So I figured doing that in the winter would be pretty rough, so I'd rather move it in the summer. But yeah, guys, my house is finished. Been living in it for a while. Really, really love it. Sorry, this video might be a little lame, but wanted everyone to see the finished product. Oh, I got these 2 flags for Touche Amore and 100th, 2 of my favorite bands, hanging up there. But yeah, so maybe you guys will see me on the road somewhere in the coming months. Sweet. Bye.